Friends, if you want to build a muscular body at home, watch this video carefully. I will show exercises for each muscle part and a full home workout. First, let me explain the best workout for home exercises, the push, pull, and legs workout. Some muscles help us push, like the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Training these muscles on the same day is best. Next are pull muscles, which help us pull things, like the back, biceps, and rear shoulders. These should be trained together. The last group is the leg muscles, and we will also train abs. Each muscle group will be trained on different days. On the first day, we train push muscles. The first exercise is normal push-ups, do at least 12. The second is incline push-ups, where hands are placed higher, do 12 reps. The third is decline push-ups, with feet higher, also 12 reps. For shoulders, we start with pike push-ups, making shoulders broader and stronger. The next is pseudo plank push-ups, done in a forward-leaning position. If you find them difficult, do as many as possible. For triceps, we do diamond push-ups, keeping hands close, do 5 to 12 reps. Then tricep dips again, do 5 to 12 reps. These exercises train the chest, shoulders, and triceps on day 1. On the second day, we train back and biceps. Start with pull-ups. If you can't do them, watch my video on how to learn. Then, do pull rope exercises. Tie a rope and pull yourself up 12 times. For biceps, start with chin-ups, do at least 5, up to 12. If no dumbbells are available, fill a bag with weight and perform bicep curls 12 reps. This completes back and biceps training. On the third day, we train legs. Leg exercises are important for testosterone and muscle growth. First, do squats 15 reps. You can add weight if possible. Then, do calf raises. Stand and raise your heels up and down 15 times. Repeat both exercises twice. For abs, do planks. Hold as long as possible with your stomach tight. Also, do bicycle crunches to strengthen abs. On the fourth day, rest. Then repeat the workouts from the first 3 days. This way, all muscles get trained and rested properly, helping your body become more muscular. Also, pay attention to diet. The Indian diet lacks enough nutrients, and without vitamins and minerals, muscles won't grow properly. So, on day 2, train back and biceps with pull-ups, pull rope, chin-ups, and bicep curls. If pull-ups are hard, watch my video to learn. On the third day, train legs with squats and calf raises. Do each exercise twice for the best results. Also, do plank and bicycle crunches for abs. On the fourth day, rest. Then, repeat the cycle. This way, muscles grow and get proper rest. Over time, you'll see big muscle gains. This was today's full workout guide. Try it at home to build muscles. If you liked the video, share it with friends and subscribe for more content. Final thoughts: transform your body at home. If you follow this routine consistently, you will see results within a few weeks. Training at home is just as effective as working out in a gym if done correctly. Work out 3 days a week. Give your muscles rest on day 4. Eat a nutritious diet. Use a multivitamin for better results. Over time, you will see your muscles grow and your body become stronger and more muscular. That's all for today's workout guide. Try these exercises and let me know your progress in the comments. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more fitness content.